Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put about Q equals to this one and B equals to this one. So we have the S. That means we need to do first the derivative of Q with respect to Y. So we just have this one in here. First the derivative of y, you got about 1. So we have cosine sy. Later that we do first the derivative of cosine sy and you got about negative ys sine sy in here. Because first the derivative of cosine sy, you got about negative s sine sy. And because we do first the derivative of sy, so y become to number 1. So that's why we have s in here. Now we have dy, so we need to do first the derivative of b with respect to s. That's about this one in here. So first the derivative of s, you got about 1. So we have cosine sy. Now we do first the derivative of cosine sy and you got about negative sy sine sy. Similar the technique in here. So because this one is same, so we can say that this is about exact. Now I will put about fxy equals to the integration. So I will choose about this one in here. The integration of this one with the square root of 1 minus s squared, you got about r sine of s, and we have number 2 in here. So the integration of cosine sy, you got about sine sy, and we have 3sy in here. Now we need to do first the derivative of the function with respect to y for the both sides. This one we don't have y, so you got about 0. This one we have y. First the derivative of sine sy, you got about s cosine sy, and we have d over dy 3sy. And we know that everything in here equals to this one. Now we simplify for the both sides and you got about negative y to the power of negative 1 over 3. Later that we put the integration for the both sides. The integration of this one, we have y to the power of negative 1 over 3 plus 1 over negative 1 over 3 plus 1, and we put about c. So this one we have 2 over 3. Similar for this one. And now we return back to this one in here. The integration of 3sy, you got about 3sy in here. That means we change 3sy into this one. And we know that everything in here equals to fsy, and fsy equals to c. That's about the constant. So if we simplify in here, you got about c, and this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.